The answer to the first question will be a specific month of the year. So, if you want to make a drop-down menu with more options, it might be a good idea to create the list somewhere else, for example in a different spreadsheet. I myself added a new spreadsheet, named it Months, and made a list of months that'll be used for our drop-down menu. Now we'll click back on the spreadsheet questionnaire and create our first drop-down list. Click into the cell in which you want to create the drop-down menu. Then click on the tab Data, go to Data Tools and select the option Data Validation. Find Settings in the pop-up window and select List from the menu. Now you need to tell Excel where to find the data for the drop-down list. Click on the icon on the right of the source box. Here we'll click through to the spreadsheet months and select all months we want to include in the list. Press Enter Dash and you've defined the contents of your drop-down list. Click on OK and you're done. The column with your answer now contains a drop-down list from which you can choose your favorite month. As soon as you create the list, you can pick only from the options you've defined. If anyone tries to type in a different option, Excel will not allow it. Well, let's move on and see how to create a short drop-down menu made of only 2 options. We'll have a look at the second question, where, in the part your answer, there will be just yes or no. As you already know, the first step will be selecting the cell in which we want to create the drop-down list. Then we'll click on the Data tab, go to Data Tools and find Data Validation. Again, we'll select the list option, but now we'll just type into the box 2 words yes and no dash separated with a comma. When both options are in, click on OK and the job is done. The simple drop-down list has been created. If you've found this video helpful, like us and subscribe to receive more videos from Excel with Mark. Learn more from tutorials that help you use Excel quick and easy. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.